This video will go over the winter weather page for the Sioux Falls National Weather Service office. You can access this page in a couple of different ways. One, usually there will be a link at the top of the home page of the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls. There's also always a link down here at the bottom that says winter weather. So click either one of those links and that is going to bring you to the winter weather page here. We'll start at the top. There's a lot of different information on this page. Just starting at the top here, first and foremost is the map of all the watches, warnings, and advisories that are in effect. And then also on the right hand side here you have the official snowfall forecast and ice accumulation forecast. Right below that you have the probabilistic snowfall page, or a link to it. More on that page will be gone over here in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And you can also submit any snow or ice reports through this link. As we move down to the center part of the page is the snowfall, wind chill, and wind gust timing. So basically each one of these boxes is a 6-hour time frame of accumulated snowfall. So if you click on the first one here, that would be the amount of snow that we're expecting for a 6-hour period ending at 1 p.m. on Wednesday. So that would be 7 a.m. Wednesday to 1 p.m. Wednesday for snowfall. And then similarly, if you click on the next one, that's going to be 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So if you're looking for how much snow is going to fall in a 6-hour time frame, then this would be a good resource to look at that information. You can find similar information for wind chill and wind gust by clicking the corresponding link again. These would be actually for 3-hour time frames. So if you click any one of these links, you can find what the time frame that it's ending at. So again, 3 hours ending at 1 p.m. on Wednesday. So these would be the expected wind chill readings between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. And then again, wind gust are also there. If you scroll down a little further on the page, you can find the timeline for different precipitation types and also amounts for various cities across our coverage area. So again, select the city that you're interested in, or at least the city that's nearest to the location that you're interested in. And so if we just choose Chamberlain here, then you can see the snow, freezing rain, and sleet timeline. So if we look at the snow timeline, which will be the top one with the blue bars, the higher the bar is, the more likely snow is during that time frame. The lower the bar, the less likely it is. And then these amounts are the amount of snow that is expected during that time frame for the box there. Similarly, freezing rain, again in the pinkish color there, the higher the bar, the more likely freezing rain is during that time frame. The lower the bar, the less likely it is. So again, the legend is on the left here: slight chance, chance, likely, and certainly, or high chances of that. And then the third bar here is the sleet timeline and chances. So if sleet was in the forecast, there would be kind of an orangish color bar down in that. The last section here of the 2-day probabilities are the chance of seeing snowfall over a certain amount. So the green boxes here indicate the chance that we see over 1/10 of an inch, or basically measurable snow, during that 6-hour time frame. And then the brown color would be 1 inch, and so on upwards. So for instance, during this time frame, Thursday afternoon, there is approximately a 70% chance that Chamberlain will see 1/10 of an inch of snow or more during that time frame. And similarly, the brown color here, if we move to early Friday morning, there's roughly about a 20% chance that Chamberlain sees an inch or greater of snowfall during that time frame. The last thing for this page, obviously lots of information at the bottom here for road reports and safety information. Plenty of other information on this winter weather page, so I'd encourage you to look through it, and hopefully what you need is somewhere on there.